This morning we had an incident happen. A shim got in the guide, and the sizes were off, but immediately they knew that. And I'm going to go to the computer and show you how the history works, where we can go back and see what exactly happened. This is the max control screen, and you can see there's some good controlling going on in the speed ups. These saws are not sawing as well as some have. There is some offset when it hits the cut, but the system controls it. There's a shift down. When it snaked beyond, it held up. Here it's holding the speed down. It's just above the entry speed. I'm going to go to show you this shim. We're going to the meters, we're going to the offset history. This is when the event happened, about an hour and a half into the shift. We're going to zoom that section out. Here's where the shim occurred. It changed it at least 20 thousandths, maybe 23 thousandths, and they would have been sawing lumber 20 to 23 thousandths off size at that time. Well, they immediately stopped, they shut down, they cleared the shim, and then they were back up running. There's where the shim occurred, 6:35. Within 7 minutes they had it cleared and they were back running. Otherwise, it would have been offsetting up here. The system caught that immediately. They were able to clear it. I'm going to go ahead and zoom this out a little more, so you see what happened when the shim went in there. It snaked one way and then it went back up and stuck. And that's where they shut it down to clean it out. So shims and wedges are detected immediately. Keeps your lumber sizes right on spec.